guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty haul. So they were kind enough to send this over to me, and this is one of their full coverage nail tips, and I believe this one is applied with that gel, and they include a little lamp, which I'm excited. Okay, so they give you the little manual on how to use this, but I know how to use them. A little file. So do you remember these back in 2000, would have been like 5 or 6, that these were the jam right here, those French tips. Okay, that's gonna be pretty for fall. Then it has your little USB light. Okay, so it's USB-C. That cord is a little small, unless it is one of those chargers. This though, I'm very excited. All right, so the power strip under me actually has USBs. Okay. So I'm not sure if you guys saw that. It turned right on, and you essentially hold your tips and then come under there and it cures it for you. So that's awesome. And yes. So it says 6-in-1 nail glue. This is what I would consider builder gel. This is not a nail glue, because people think of nail glue as glue. Okay, so it has a semi-runny viscosity, but it's definitely not the runniest I've had. I've had a couple that have been so runny that it was just a mess. And then here are the tips. Full coverage. Okay, so they split it. So they give you the option to do either one. Now, I do want to say that you can apply like the tips, you know, the kind that just go like this on your nail. You can apply that with gel. I think a lot of times when people have issues applying the tips, or for example, you have breakage with using tips, it's because the glue fails. This is gel. This will cure to your base coat. So you apply your base coat, put that on, cure to your heart's desire. And these are thick. I guess they would have to be if they're this long. Okay, I'm gonna have to take off my current one. I have this chrome, which looks absolutely perfect for fall. Like, do we see that? It's gonna be perfect for fall. And it's like a brownie red, so Christmas time too. I'm really excited for that. So yeah, okay, so it looks like each pack has 2 of every single one. I'm gonna do the full coverage because, you know what? I'm just feeling, actually, you know what? Before we start this, let's put our base coat on. Now, I feel like I learned quite a bit from my other application. So I'm hoping that I will succeed at this one a little bit easier. I don't know which one you're seeing first, if I'm gonna be honest. I'm going to take their gel and I'm going to apply a decent base coat. I'm not overly putting this down, not base coat, slip layer. But I'm not being stingy either. These have a pretty large C curve. So I'm gonna need a decent amount of gel. All right, I got most of the bubbles out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm not going all the way back here. I'm just going down and then I'm gonna go under. Oh no, my light. Come on. Well, that sucked. All right, let's try this again. Slip layer, not too thin, not super thick either. Bring it on the tip. Grab a little bit more for that C curve.
But not today, just stay.
Here we go. I still got, I mean, a decent amount of spillage. So this is a very tiny lamp, by the way. I think I've realized I like thicker gels for this, not super runny gels. I don't know any soak-offs that are decently thick. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of let it set in the middle for a second. Turning that on. So I had it on there pretty well, but I guess I lifted up at some point. Doing the middle finger now. And so the result of that air bubble in the pointer finger was I didn't have enough gel. So there wasn't enough gel. That one went much better. I still got seepage on that one, but this guy has a little bit. If you notice, I'm not going towards the end. I'm sticking in the middle where your apex would be. All right, last but not least, the pinky. That's a lot of gel. Okay. Obviously, the pinky needs a substantially less than the other guys. right, let's fix a couple because obviously I'm having some spillage. So I'm just breaking it. If I had a cuticle pusher right next to me, that would have been smart. A buffing block. If you have been with me, you guys know this CF03 cat eye polish is my favorite. So let's apply it. All right, so I did a second coat that I realized I wasn't recording because I shut my camera off when I cure. So now I'm coming in with my third coat. Hindsight, I probably should have put a purple down. That way I don't have to use so many coats of this amazing gel polish, but shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side.
All right, here we go. I did the finish in matte and I went ahead and just did it because we've been together for a while now. So overall, I'm obsessed. Do you see that shift there? Especially you can really see it on that middle one. I can't bend my nails the other way. So thank you again, Born Pretty, for sending these over. These are amazing. I do wish the gel was thicker. You did see me struggle with some of them, but that is only something that I recently realized that I like. It's not something that most brands I think have, but I definitely want to try it with a thicker gel. This did just fine. The lamp, it's all right. I needed to face it the other way. Like the opening was this way and I was going around. It should have been this way and put in, but my cable's that way. So the cable's like this long. So you need an extension cable for sure if you're going to use it. I wish it was battery operated. That would have solved all my issues, or like recharging, but it's not gonna deter me from using it if I need to. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.